Hello, my name is Christopher Hall. I work for the Wellcome Sanger Institute Cytometry core facility, and today we're going to show you one of the Python scripts we've written to help manage our facility. This script helps us back up our Influx Workspace files, otherwise known as templates. First we'll have a quick look at the problem. So on the BD Influx software, we have saved templates, and these templates can exist in folders as well, and they're very easy to identify. So if I just load this template here, you can see it has all the saved plots and the gates and the voltages. The problem comes when you want to back this up. So the more files you have, the slower the software can load. And all the files are located in my documents, BD folder, software folder, workspace folder. They're saved as XML documents, but each document is only labeled configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And there's hundreds of files in here, and in each subfolder, again, configuration and a number. So if you want to back this up, it's very difficult to restore the files because it takes a long time to find which one you want. Because they're XML files, they can be opened with a text editor, and inside it's plain text, and you can see that there's a name tag, and this is the name tag that gets displayed inside the software. So what we want to do is take this tag and place it onto the file name. So what we've done, we've made a Python script that will do this for us. So to do this, we first go to github.com/Sanger Cytometry, go to repositories, go to the Influx Workspace Renamer, and here we've got two files, a Python file and an exe. The Python file is the script that does all the work. And we have an exe. The exe makes your life a bit easier because it means you don't have to install Python first. So we'll go through how to use both, but first we'll try the exe. We download the file. So you can do this to the live installation, but it's better to do to a backup first. Make sure it works. So to make the backup, I have my configurations here. I have an empty folder, and I'm just going to take a couple across just to show you. Then I go to my downloads folder, find the application, place it into the folder, and then just run it. You see it runs Python, it runs the script, and it's now renamed all the files. These files are still the same files, just with new names. And it's gone and done it into the folders as well. A nice thing we found that when we did this was actually software doesn't care the name of the XML file. So if I'm just going to delete these files from my live installation of software and bring these in, and then in software you'll see that we can still load them. They're still here, despite having different names. And they still will load successfully. So if you want, you could apply this script to this folder, but we just apply it to a backup folder just for safety's sake. So let's do this again, but this time use the Python file. So again, I want to take some files. I did make a backup, of course. Copy them here. First, you want to install Python. So if you don't have Python, just Google it and download whichever version is best for you. So we're using version 3, which is what the script's designed for. Once it's installed, it's very easy to run. So back onto GitHub, repositories, back to the same place, Influx Workspace Renamer. I'm going to take this Py file. So this is the script. Easiest thing to do, if you click Row, you can then copy the script. Control C to copy. Go back to my folder, new, text document. I can call it anything I want. So I'm just going to call it script. Open it up, paste in, and press save. So when Python installed, it installed a little a program that runs the Python scripts called idle. So if you load idle, press start, type in idle, use file, open, browse to where your files are. So let's go test workspace. There's no Python file because it's a text file. Open the script, press run, run module or F5. And again, it's done exactly the same thing as the exe did. It's renamed all the files. Right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you find the script useful. And if you do, don't forget to tweet us at Cytometry or send us an email if you have any support requests. Goodbye.